Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the top click pair new device if your Android phone has this button, because not all Android phones have it. But I need to click on it and then open the charging case. Your earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically if you do not connect it with another device, and we will see them at the device list. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. So right here we have BELKIN and here is touch areas. You need to press and hold at the both of touch areas for at least 3 seconds and you will enter to pairing mode. Then tap at your earbuds at the device list and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!